Hey guys, Bob here. This is some of the damage that was done Thursday, which was Halloween. This tree is now down there. As you can see, it snapped it completely. Gone. There's other little small trees that are down here. This is by the hill by my house. So yeah, it took the whole tree. Snapped it right off. Alright guys, Bob here. This is part of the Mohawk River. One of the tributaries. As you can see, this is the one that comes off the falls. But if I can get into here, all this backwater in here is all flooded out. This here, guys, this wall that's here, this is part of the old Erie Canal. Alright guys, this is the spillway dam. This comes off the Cohoes Falls. It comes over the spillway dam. This in the background is the Waterford Bridge. It goes from Cohoes to Waterford. You guys see me drive over this. But just to show you the flooding. So this here splits. That way, it goes where the water I just showed you guys. Down in there. I don't know if I can, oops, sorry guys. And then this one here goes out to the Hudson. Both of them do. Alright, so this part here, and as you can see, it's pretty flooded here. Water's up. But this here is part of the Mohawk River, and it goes all the way out to the Hudson. So it actually, there's two spots where the Mohawk River go out to the Hudson. One, I think I showed you back when it was People's Island. The other one, I can't get to. It's actually behind the old Ford plant, and you're not allowed back there. It's trespassing. This is something you don't want to get caught in, guys, right here, which is under the bridge. It is so turbulent. You flip over in a kayak here, you're done. This is the other part of the river that goes down this way, and this empties out into the Hudson. Hudson River, for those who are not familiar. Alright guys, this is the Hudson River. The flood stage is 21.5. This is at 21.8. So it's not overly up. It's not over the... Find it. There it is. It's not over the pylons, but it's pretty damn close. So yep. Just minor flooding, lower parts, is what it is. Alright, if you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the bell, so you don't miss any more of my vlogs. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.